Welcome back to the channel. This video takes place in the sports arena area of San Diego, where police confront a man with a knife. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments.
This is the San Diego Police Department. I do need to confirm the address. Please repeat it for me.
Well, I don't know. It's Chili's on Sports Arena, and I'm
on Sports Arena. Are you in the parking lot?
Yeah, I've tried to get him off my car multiple times, but he wants you to guys come and that's what he's saying. So I'm actually really freaked out, and I was trying to avoid this.
Firing 40! Hit him in the leg, no? Hit him in the leg. Firing 40! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Drop the knife! Get on the ground! Hey, Sarge, I got one more left on me. Okay. Sarge, I lied. I have two more. You want to move over to my side?
You want to push them over to the left.
Drop the knife! San Diego Police, drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! San Diego Police, drop the knife! Sending back. San Diego Police, drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Beam back, beam back. Beam back. Go. There we go. There we go. Start. Down. Knife.
I got the knife. I got the knife.
Stop, please! Please, I'm sorry!
I'm getting by your back.
I don't want to lose it! I don't want to lose it!
Go ahead.
I fucking love you so much! I fucking love you, babe! Hey, Sarge, just want you to be 10-4. I put the knife on the top of the car. Just want to give you a charge. Everyone good? Knife's still be under him. I don't know.
We got it. Let's just put him in the recovery position. We'll do a pat down for a secondary knife. Any other weapons? Okay. Let's just wait until we're code 4 with the cuffs. Are we good with the cuffs? Alright, I'll let you take over legs. Recovery position. Get a good pat down. Make sure he doesn't have any other weapons. Alright, secure your weapon. Look good.
Next.
For Tennessee, motorcycle.
Anyone have any other gloves?
I'll handle that. No. Well, if you could switch to
Just for the fight.
He got hit with 40 like 3 times.
Where?
Right leg, butt area.
Okay. So that's going to be a transport anyway.
Oh yeah.
There's something else in this bucket.
They don't have shears.
Yeah, I got my back pocket. Yeah. How bad is the bite? Does he need anything?
I got you.
My right leg, please, get off me, please.
Stop sweating. You know what? There's something in here.
I'm sorry. I'm fucking sorry, babe. I'm fucking sorry.
Do you have any cause in the graphic?
Nix? Right there, yeah.
Oh, my car's not. Yeah.
Do you want to see?
Yeah,
Yeah, right there, bro. See it?
Let's get some
There's another bite
Yeah,
here.
I got my car.
Sorry, babe.
Can you go get it?
We got medics. Cleared in.
I want to wait. Not for the bite? No, not for the bite. The bite's not even bleeding anymore. We'll try.
What about the leg?
What about
The leg's not that bad. It's a
Cool.
couple scrapes?
Sweet.
round's a lot.
Okay.
Right on.
I think I'll so we can transport him. Yeah. And he can be safe for
Bless you.
the impacts and all that. Alvarado's going to be your best bet. They'll be pretty quick. They're 10-4 on dog bites. So okay. Take their own.
Who's going to be the case agent on this? You? Do you have any little pamphlets? Mentioning that
Chris, here's his wallet. She pulled it out of his pocket.
My car's right here, Chris.
Is that from him or the dog?
What?
I think that's the first
That's
impact
from,
with the
yeah, I
40.
think that's
The 40?
Was that 40?
Yeah, that's pretty first impact there.
Yeah, it was in the leg area, yeah.
Both of them?
Well, actually, they may be, yeah, because I hit him twice in the leg.
Yeah, and then you hit him once in the butt.
In that area up
Yeah,
there.
right there.
Do you see anything up there?
I'm sorry?
Get some water, please.
No, yeah, it was like underneath.
They're right, relax. We'll get you some help right now. You're fine.
Yeah, it was up in that area, anyways.
Some water, please. Please, let me take something. Clean that thing with pants on. I can't see.
Oh, it's right there on the hood of the car, man. You need help, Sarge?
Camera, we take photos of the scene back there. That's easy.
615 John, 615 Sam, sorry, 611 John will be the case agent on this. Cover, 611 John will be the case agent.
Got extra batteries, I'm all set.
Jay,
Can you add a deal for me?
you let them clear out?
Huh?
Is he calling? He's on the phone. I brought his phone. Okay. You brought mine too?
Where's yours?
Oh, yeah.
No, I was over there on there.
Oh, okay. No worries.
Sorry about that.
It's all good. I can walk.
Are you still
Yeah.
Make sure to
We can smell a pepper ball from the other side.
Over there?
Yeah.
No, we just had these two, right?
340s.
340s. But you're gonna document that.
Yep.
He'll document the other one.
Yep.
No one else had any force.
Okay.
Just 3 people.
Okay.
Joe and then the chief patrol guys.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, the 417 charge, the 148 charge, and that's it. Okay. Easy peasy.
Who's taking a picture of the scene? The just during collecting evidence. I don't know. I don't know if you have to take photos or collect that.
Travis is collecting photos. Do you need to collect it for
I don't.
the same way as like a...
As the scene. It's part of the scene now.
Okay.
Cool.
There should be. Yeah, it's on the hood. There should be 3 of them. Possibly. But if he wants to, whoever's taking photos wants to photograph it and then. Number 2's right here. So 1, 2.
think one of them might be able to control car?
Which one?
No. It's kind of bouncing all over the place.
Yeah. The third 40 mil. There's one right here. There's one right there.
No, he shot 3. There's one right over there.
I'm sorry? No, I had 3 good hits. I mean, these trees are thick, and they're bouncing. It could have got stuck in a tree. Yep, because I brought 4 with me, and I only have 1 left.
Travis, is he going in your car or is he going in mine?
My car.
Where's yours? Where's your car?
What's this guy's name?
Javier or something.
Javier.
He's good back there.
Arredondo.
Do you want to take this with the locker? Probably.
Hey brother, you take a picture of his prescription bottle laying on the ground? No, it's just dirt.
No,
that was laying on the ground in front of the hood.
Right here, this is, I think, was from.
Oh, excuse me. Pardon me.
All right, so 13 inches overall with a blade length of 8 3/4, or should we just say 9?
I was round up.
That's what I'm saying.
Should take a photo with a knife with a ruler.
12. All right, you want that back?
Sarge, can we borrow that real quick?
Can we borrow that real quick? Corey, can we borrow that?
Yeah, of course. Oh.
Thank you.
All right.
Are you gonna take that knife as evidence?
Yeah. You on?
You gonna take the knife as evidence, or?
Alvarado, right? Yes, sir. What do you need, Chris? He took a picture. I don't know if he's going to collect.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sarge.
He sees it all? Okay. The case agent already has one.